I'm Alana from Upcycling NZ. Welcome to my crafting channel. Today I'm going to show you the parcel that I have received from Temu. This is my first time ordering on Temu. I've resisted it for quite some time, so let's open it up and see what kind of value for money we get. I spent a total of $55.75 in New Zealand dollars on this parcel. So let's see what sort of quality and value we get for that. This is a set of rub-on transfers. It's a retro set. With these, you peel back the backing, place your sticker, and you can cut those out on any item that you want to rub the transfer onto, as long as it's got a smooth surface, and it will go on transparently. I know this was not a new release because I've seen it around on other crafting videos. It looks to be good quality, and they're a nice size transfer, and I can see me getting a lot of craft projects out of this. It cost me $17.09, and there's 6 sheets in total. I've really only seen these on the Temu website, and they're usually around $24.95, so I think that's pretty good value for money. It's exactly what I ordered according to the description and the measurements, so I'm very happy with this. It also came complete with the tools that you need to do the transfers. The next is an A4 stencil, and it's come a bit bent in the post. It was $2.78, and it's an attractive design. It's a versatile sort of stencil. I can see myself using this on lots of crafting projects. So as long as that kink doesn't affect my ability to stencil, I'll be happy. The next item's this European style lace silicone mould. You can use it with air dry clay. I'd just be a little bit concerned that they're very delicate and very easy to break. So I'll test that out and see if it is deep enough to give it some strength. Otherwise I might have to invest in some resin, to use resin with this mould. I will make something in the very near future to try that out. So for $2.12, I think it was well worth the risk. Oh, and what is this? Not a craft item. However, I couldn't resist the temptation, and I bought some cheap shoes because they looked comfortable. They're not the prettiest, and they're not my normal style. But I am all about foot care these days. I like comfy shoes. And they looked really pretty on the foot in the picture. And they look a bit small, so I'm just going to try those on off camera. They actually fit, and they fit over my socks, so there was even spare room in them. They seem reasonably comfortable. The sole, maybe not so much, not such good quality. Yeah, look at that, look at the inserts. Pretty sort of flimsy, but you can't expect much for the price. The next item are these Christmas images, also got bent in the post. They're a packet of 10, and they cost $1.99 New Zealand. Just have a look at those. I'm going to use these for decoupaging and probably lots of other crafts for that matter. There's a variety of images in here, and they're actually really stunning. The pictures are just beautiful, and the detail's really immense in them. Yep, I'll definitely get a lot of use out of these. The cardstock's fairly stiff, but without it being cardboard. Yeah, I like those a lot. And for the price, $1.99, you can't complain about that at all. I think I ordered several of these. This is another set in a butterfly print. It's called 10 sheets again, and it's called Vintage Butterfly. This one was a little bit more expensive at $2.96 a packet. But this one is just absolutely beautiful. They are just gorgeous. I just can't get images like this from thrift stores or from dump sales. Very hard to find this quality of print. So I'm very happy with this one. Here's another one. and this one has a fairy theme. It has quite a good 3D effect on the imagery. You'll see when I open it. And just looking at the packaging, I could probably use the packaging for crafting as well. These have amazing artwork on them. They're very mystical and magical, and the fairies really pop out of the page. This set was $3.14, and I'm happy with that. I also got it in a watercolour lavender. And this one is $1.64 for the set. And again, this one has the vintage feel to it. And stunning images. I'll be dropping my next crafting video in the next day or two, but next week you might see a lot of this stuff getting used in the video. So keep an eye out for that one. The next thing are these Victorian era stamps. These cost me $2.04, which is an extreme saving based on what I've seen in the shops here in New Zealand, where you're looking at about $12 to $15 for a set like this. So this was really good value, and I know that I will get a lot of use out of these. There's a plastic backing in there, and you can remove and reattach those stamps all over it, which allows you to centre things and get them straight before you apply them to your projects. I love it so much I'll probably use that today on some projects. The next one's a stamp, and it's called Elegant European Lace, and it was $1.62. I can use this alongside that last stamp and probably make those other stamps appear bigger or just more elaborate. This is exactly what I ordered. When you get new stamps like this, it's a good idea to run sandpaper over the surface and it'll perform better for you. The next thing is some more of those images. I'm not going to open this one, but it was $1.64. I've got some more stamps here. They are floral themed, and there's some nice wording and small text on these as well. This one was $1.94. These are made of silicone, and they all have that plastic backing on them. Not sure what this was. Oh yeah, I remember now. This is a set of retro quotes, and there are 60 in the packet. I got them for $1.79. They're inspirational quotes and thought-provoking quotes from William Shakespeare and St. Augustine and the like. I can see myself using these in quite a lot of projects, lots of wooden tags and things like that. They are all in neutral colours, which makes them a bit more versatile to use. And finally, this is my last item, and it's another set of those little tags, but these are vintage travel tickets and labels. And these have a more elaborate design on them, and I love the colouring. I like this set better than the last one, but I'll use them both. So in conclusion, my first Temu order, what I ordered versus what I got, I am happy with everything that I got, the quality, the content. Aside from a couple of bent items, I'll definitely be purchasing from Temu again. Our local suppliers just cannot compare with those prices. It was a beautiful day here in the Marlborough Sounds. Thank you so much for watching. I'd love to see you here again. Please subscribe. Bye for now.